Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by working with 1 lb fresh salmon. Remove skin and any bones and flake the flesh into large pieces with a fork so you preserve texture. Combine the salmon with 1 egg, 1/2 cup panko breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, and 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice for moisture and binding. Fold in 2 tablespoons chopped chives for brightness, then season with 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Keep the bowl chilled on ice to maintain firmness while you shape patties. Gently fold the ingredients until just combined. Do not overwork the mixture because salmon becomes mealy if compacted. Use a scale or eye to divide the mixture into 4 equal portions and press each into a 3.5-inch diameter patty that is roughly 3/4 inch thick so they cook evenly without drying. Place the formed patties on a tray lined with parchment and chill them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Chilling firms the binders and prevents the burgers from falling apart while searing. Heat a heavy skillet over medium-high with 1 tablespoon neutral oil until shimmering. Transfer chilled patties to the pan and sear without moving for 3 to 4 minutes per side to build a golden crust. Use an instant-read thermometer to ensure the center reaches 145 degrees F. The interior should be opaque and moist, but not raw. Toast buns lightly. Spread lemon aioli or 1/4 cup mayo mixed with 1 teaspoon lemon zest, and assemble with sliced cucumber, arugula, and optional pickled onion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.